Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan using an air fryer. Start by caramelizing sugar until it reaches a deep amber, then pour into ramekins and set aside. Whisk condensed milk, evaporated milk, whole eggs, and vanilla until smooth with minimal foam. Strain the custard into caramel-lined cups, cover each with foil, and arrange them in the air fryer basket on a small rack or trivet before cooking. Make the custard by whisking condensed milk, evaporated milk, eggs, and vanilla until homogeneous and silky. Straining removes foam and ensures a smooth finish that melts on the tongue. Pour carefully into caramel-lined ramekins, filling most of the way but leaving room for expansion. Seal each ramekin with foil to keep water out while steaming. Arrange cups evenly so hot air circulates freely in the air fryer for consistency. Set the air fryer to 160 degrees C and let it preheat for a few minutes to stabilize temperature. Place the foil-covered ramekins on a rack with a shallow water tray to mimic a bain-marie and retain gentle steam. Cook for roughly 20 minutes until custards are set but slightly wobbly in the center. Carry-over heat will finish them. Cool at room temperature briefly, then chill for best texture and easy unmolding later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.